Potatoes.
That's how you...
Oh,
that's pretty good.
That was a pretty decent Gollum.
Boil them, mash them.
Stick them in a stew.
Today, guys, I've got a fun one for you. But first, my name is CJ. This is CJ's first cooking show. Right over here is Nate.
Hey.
Right over there is Ethan. And right over there is... not the droid you're looking for sure.
Where?
Jazz hands.
Nowhere.
Who?
Nothing.
What?
Potatoes.
Jazz hands.
Potato.
Exactly.
Ethan.
I've got 3 versions of potatoes that you could make at any time. A loaded, kind of like a loaded potato skin,
Okay.
Then I've got a garlic rosemary potato.
Okay.
Then I've got a Parmesan and pancetta smashed potatoes.
Okay.
That is it. I like what you've done here. But grab something to sip on. We're gonna have some fun. And if you like potatoes, this is not gonna disappoint.
Yes.
I dropped my pen.
I'm not so sure about...
Now you could par cook your potatoes if you wanted to. Kind of have them little half cooked, if you will. But today we're not gonna do that because I wanna show you the whole process. So we've got some little yellow potatoes here.
I actually see that question, like, do you always have to cut your potatoes up?
You don't have to, because these are gonna be smashed potatoes. So check it out. You guys just kick it right there.
Kicking it.
We got steam, baby.
Okay.
You know, I'm gonna go ahead and bring my heat up a little bit.
How long does that take?
Honestly, like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Nope. Back over here. Back over here.
You said that.
Yeah.
I wasn't listening.
Oh wait, hold on a second.
I'm holding.
Continue to hold.
Okay.
Got some oil.
Got it.
Got some more. Oh wow, look at all that. Here we go. Got our potatoes.
Okay.
Going in the oil.
They just keep building them higher, don't they?
I'm gonna toss these around in a little bit of olive oil, and you don't want to steam right now. You could, and it would be fine. They'd be edible. But what I'm going for...
Did you just give up?
I did.
Do it.
Hold on.
What? Should I just stay over here?
Yeah, you should.
Yeah. Excellent driver.
Definitely.
Excellent driver.
That's good. Come on.
Got some pepper.
Pepper? Salt and pepper's here.
Got some garlic powder. Oh, I almost sabotaged myself. Pancetta and bacon.
No, that's just bacon.
No, well, this is bacon.
No, it's your...
Actually, no.
It's your pig.
It's your pig.
I'm failing to make the connection here, son.
Boink, boink. Police officer.
I used to say that to cops when I was your age.
We're gonna do 2 different forms of pork product on this day.
What's that?
Yep. I've got pancetta.
Okay.
Ooh, yeah, baby.
Cured pork belly, uncured.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Today was gonna take longer.
Yeah.
We want crispy pancetta and
Crispy
honestly
pork
some
product.
crispy bacon. Whoa.
You all right?
A little baby rail ring.
You okay? All right. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Strange thing for a foot over at the Circle K.
Wow.
So the potato process is a simple process. Actually, it's a complicated process.
Is it?
Of water and doming.
Get out of town.
I know it. More water to our yellow ones. Those need more times because more times.
More times.
All the times is because we haven't cut them, so
Dude,
they're gonna
you need
take
to
a little
check
bit
that
more.
bacon, dude.
The bacon's looking good.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure. It's sure enough. It's coming off.
Is
The
it
bacon.
good?
And we've got delicious crispy pancetta. Now, don't get rid of that bacon fat.
Good Lord.
Don't you dare.
Don't do it.
Because my friends, the next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna grab. Thank you to whoever you are. You're gonna grab some russet potatoes on the bias like this, just because we're feeling fancy.
That thick, huh?
That's because I want them to be, like I said, not potato chips. I want them to be more like
Is that a chili
loaded.
classic?
A what?
Chili's?
TGI Fridays.
TGI Fridays, as a matter of fact. But they actually had like loaded potato skins. We are going to be doing a version of a loaded potato skin.
So you actually got 3 different starch level potatoes, which is nice, and you're treating them all slightly differently.
Huh.
Which I appreciate.
You can count.
Yeah.
And I appreciate that.
Fun.
Let's woohoo.
Three.
This is what we're wanting.
Oh, it's gonna get crispy. Look how.
Oh yeah,
gorgeous.
that's the idea, dude. Let's just go in there.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yup.
Oh, you betcha, yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh. Jeez.
Go Bears.
And look at that, we're back to hanging out.
That's it.
Yeah, I feel like a useless stormtrooper just stands around doing nothing all day and missing every shot. Except
Yeah.
I didn't miss the shot.
Speaking of Star Wars, CJ, did you know? Did you know?
Do it so
That was so
fast.
fast.
Thank you. Did you know that
really a
Samuel L.
compliment?
Jackson has some initials engraved on his purple lightsaber that are also engraved on a certain wallet in Pulp Fiction?
Which one is it? It's the one that says bad mother.
The
Take it
BMF.
easy, mate.
Yeah, BMF.
BMF, which
Oh,
stands
yeah.
for Bring Mom Forks.
Food.
Yes, that too.
Okay.
That's actually a really cool,
Interesting.
interesting little factoid right
I
there.
have an interesting fact.
What?
He's been in every single movie ever created. You know that?
I did not know that, but it does make sense.
I have had it with these monkey fighting snakes on this Monday to Friday plane.
It's potato time.
Potato time.
All of our potatoes are nice. Woo! Those are.
You know, they.
Those are
You're right over
crispy.
there?
Nah, dude.
Okay.
We got a lot
Three
of potatoes
different
going
things
on.
going on.
I know. These ones are not ready to flip yet. We're starting to get the color, but we're not quite
Not
there.
quite there?
Not quite there. But we are going to let them hang out in that pancetta and bacon fat. Now, let's talk about our red skin ones over here.
Okay.
We need to
Those look
add.
great.
They look incredible. Thank you. I happen to agree with you. We've got some garlic and rosemary.
I love this trick.
I knew you would. I knew you
Heck
would.
yeah.
I know your body. We need to add a little bit more olive oil
Okay.
because I want that that garlic to have some fun to play in. Little fun place to hang out. And now we need to season a little
Oh,
bit
it
more.
smells amazing.
Yes, sir, it does. Let's add.
You're
some-
treating the potatoes like a steak, essentially.
Yeah, I kind of am, dude.
Yeah.
That's a really great way to think.
yeah.
What you could do, which I did not do, is if you had a pat of butter or two, could throw some butter in here.
That'd be nice.
That would have been nice. I didn't
That'd
think.
be
I didn't.
nice.
I didn't
That's nice.
forget about it. I just didn't think about it.
Oh.
And if I was thinking, I wouldn't have thought that. All right, let's move these. Oh, dude, look at the color that started to develop right there.
Hello.
I think that's also
So they
because
fully cooked under the dome like that?
they did.
Wow.
They did. And we need to make a little bit more room. You know what we could do?
What?
Let's move these. Dude, do you smell that rosemary
Yeah,
now?
dude. Gorgeous.
Oh, I love it. I love it. We got to start smashing. And using what do we got here?
That's the old school press.
Yes, it is. Oh man.
Oh.
Yep. Oh no, that's
Wait.
good. That's great.
Oh, beauty.
Dude, look at that.
Gorge.
That is quite
And that's
gorgeous.
still in the bacon fat over there.
Dude, absolutely. Now smashing these
Dude,
is
smash all of them at the same time.
oh, you are nope.
Just try
nope,
it.
no, because I did that and it got too much surface area because it could be a problem. But we're gonna still push the limits right here. And we're gonna need to see, look at oh,
Nice.
that's good.
Look at.
Look at
Hey, guys, look at.
We're not changing the taste.
about
We're
that?
definitely changing the texture.
What about that little guy? Oh, that works too.
Yeah, it does work actually. If you don't have
Fancy tools.
fancy tools like me.
use the press to
That was a whole opposite way of doing things.
This
Strike
is a
that,
fun one.
reverse
They're
it.
not mashed, but what you're doing is you're creating these like little nooks and crannies, which I am a big
It
fan
allows
of.
for a lot more texture to get involved, and I'm a huge fan of that. Now let's get some of this. What?
Extra.
Okay.
Quiet, you.
And here in just a second, we're gonna season in layers.
What's going on in the back over there?
I'm glad you asked. Oh! Dude, we got some yummy crispy
Gorgeous.
potatoes going on. Yep. I think
I
we're
like
gonna.
how thick you cut those.
Thank you.
That's a fun idea.
Thank
You're
you.
right. It's going to be like a French fry, crispy on the outside.
Exactly.
soft
Now
and creamy on the
question:
inside. Yeah.
bacon first and cheese, or cheese and then bacon?
Depends. How long do we have? I'm
Good
just gonna
question.
let you do you.
We're just gonna ring it and bring it. That's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
I like where your head's at.
Yeah.
We got a whole lot of things going on here, folks.
Lots of
It is
things.
my first cooking show.
Lots of things.
Juggling 3 different recipes.
Oh wow, you weren't kidding.
No, never. Dude, we're officially at the finish line.
We made it.
I think we're there.
We made it.
We've got a big old plate because I wanted to show these guys off all right next to each other. We're gonna go ahead and
It's
pull.
a fun way to serve,
Dude,
even if it's like a dinner party.
We got to pull off these ones that are already done. What
Good
did I call these?
Lord.
The garlic rosemary.
Like steak potatoes. Steak
Basically, them steak and taters. I love it. Now let's talk about the what do we call them? Like the loaded wedges.
I don't know, what do you call them?
Loaded potato wedges. Yeah.
Is this where they
top
get
it with
loaded?
whatever you want. I've got some cheese and bacon. It's
I like
pretty
it.
simple. I wanted to
I
just
like
show
it.
like the basic steps here. And the smashed potatoes, dude. Add a little bit of pancetta.
Dude, look how
Actually,
crispy.
a lot of pancetta. Add a ton of pancetta.
And Parmesan.
I've also
It's
got
like
some
all
Parmesan
the
seasoned
peas.
with some SPG and get that onto a plate. And now we've domed our potato skins. Let's see how they look. Nice and cheesy, nice and gooey. Yep, let's pull those off, set them aside. Just start piling it up. Dude, just
I
pile
like
it all up.
3 on the same platter. This is fun
This is a fun
presentation.
one. Garnish with a little bit of ranch. Some people might like sour cream. I
Oh,
don't.
save the green for last.
Save the green for last.
Always.
Money, baby.
What did
Now,
you do?
I've also got one little special sauce we're going to use at the end,
What did
which
you
you will
do?
not appreciate.
Why?
You'll see. My potatoes are a little screaming hot at the moment. We need to give them a chance to cool down, or else we're going to burn our mouth off. So why not take this time to go ahead and clean our griddle?
Oh, clever idea.
Dude, very simple.
Clever girl.
Scrape off all that junk, all that. Right now we've got melted cheese, we've got seasonings and oils. Get rid of it, throw all that in the trash can, and look it.
I got hooky.
It's water. It's that simple, dude. Just water. Steam it up. You're gonna start to see all that gunk rise once the steam hits. And just start kind of scooting it around with your spatulas or scraper, whatever you got, and you just move that gunk off to the back. Get some paper towels, wipe her down,
Easy.
oil her up.
Easy.
She's ready for your
Oh, yeah, it
next
should
cook.
be shiny.
You definitely want a
Leave
nice
it
shimmer, hydrated. Be sure to hydrate. That's why we ring it and bring it.
Yeah.
We're basically doing what we did on the griddle for
Yeah.
ourselves every time we ring
M.
it.
Night Shyamalan.
Okay, that was a stretch. Feels like Providence. 3
Does
sets
it?
of potatoes, 3 ships.
3 ships a sailing?
No, I was
Oh.
actually making a Matrix reference.
Oh.
He's the one.
Ethan, which one do I do first?
Middle one.
Okay, middle one. It is
all look-
not. We're gonna go ahead and try this one over here first. Dude,
Probably the prettiest on this side.
Do you think?
I think.
Oh, dude, I've got crunch. I don't think you can hear it over there. But,
I heard it. Oh, yeah. I can
Oh,
hear it.
the cheese,
There's a little
potatoes.
crunch on the cheese, too.
Oh yeah, a little skirt.
And a long pancetta.
Knows what's best.
Guy in which we do not speak of. What's next?
This side.
This side it is. Oh,
That's your TGI Fridays?
this is the TJI
special?
Friday special. But it's frowned upon in
What?
some circles.
Taco Bell hot sauce?
Nah,
you-
dude. We got a little bit
Okay.
of A1. Let's
Is that AI?
exactly, dude.
It looks like AI if you look at the
A
bottle.
little artificial intelligence for my potato.
Really?
Oh,
All the toppings.
mm-hmm.
Save them. And? All you taste is A1, right?
No,
Yes.
I taste all the other things. Can I?
You know what A1 tastes like A1?
I do, as a matter of fact.
Raisins and
Wasn't it orange?
oranges.
Yeah.
Raisins and orange peels.
Interesting.
So weird.
So strange.
Oh, these are
Dude.
my jam. That's my jam right
I'm all about like the rosemary coming with it.
Oh, how about the garlic? A little crispy garlic in there? Look,
Okay.
crunchy, I can hear it.
That's the winner.
That's the winner.
Winner, potato
Didn't
dinner.
even need any A1.
No, don't eat A1 on
Or
that one.
ranch.
They can all use a little sauce if you want. I love all 3. Let me know which one that you prefer down in the comments. Maybe you like all 3 as well.
Yeah.
I don't know. How did I do?
Great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Speaking of comments, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
So glad that you guys made it. Hope you enjoyed the potatoes.
Yeah,
but
me too.
Now we are on to something also delicious.
Yeah?
A little spicy.
Oh, no.
A little nicey. We'll
Really?
see. Not so sure. But this is where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers.
Oh, you do.
Because if you guys write it,
We read
that's
it.
right. So starting from the top, in no particular order, we got a little spice. No,
Bye.
I take it back.
A little nice?
It's a little nice. This is from Danny Marino.
Hey, Danny Marino. Oh, the tried and true.
Yes.
He's been around a long time. Or him. He? Her?
I don't know. I
Dan
feel like
Marino's
we.
cousin.
Yes, that's right. If I could leave 100 thumbs up for this video, I would. Cheers, my friend. I just felt
I
it
think
felt
you
wholesome.
can. You can add 100.
Yes, you can. Well, you can for sure just click 1, but then we can add 100.
Yeah. Thanks, Danny.
Okay, this next one is from Boken.
Boken.
Or Boquin.
Boquin.
Or
Boca.
Mr. Bojangles.
That's
Yes,
it.
that's it. Says, here's why I screenshot this one. You guys are dorks, but I love the videos and the recipes. When's the last time you used the word dork?
Wow, I don't know.
In like an actual day-to-day sentence?
What do they look like, Jimmy?
Dorks. They look like a couple of dorks.
Maybe that guy's sense of comedy's Boken.
Okay. Okay, he fully endorses that one. All right, this is from Independent Drummer, 1974.
Who's Anthony? Who's Anthony?
When were you born, dude?
1974?
I bet. Independent Drummer says, love everything about this show.
Yeah,
because
there
of
he
this
is.
show, you guys have definitely made my mind up on buying a Blackstone. Dramatic pause.
So dramatic.
So dramatic. So yes, I'm buying a Blackstone.
Nice.
Yes.
There we go.
Seriously though, love you guys. Love the show. Independent Drummer.
Man, he must have good rhythm.
Feel the rhyme.
Get on up!
Bobsled time.
Yeah.
All right, this is from Abe Guzman or
Abe
Froman.
Guzman.
The Sausage King of Chicago.
I really, really hate all the movie clips. It's too much. I mean, one or two, sure, but a gazillion? With all that out of the way,
Jeez.
thank you for the recipe. We'll be trying this one soon.
I'm glad it turned out nice because it
I
started
know,
off a little snooty.
Snooty?
Snooty? Snotty. Snotty.
Okay, Abe, let's go.
Thank you. What the?
Woo! Okay, this is from the Rugged Nerd.
Rugged Nerd.
Rugged Nerd. I don't
We
think
got
I've...
nerds and dorks today. That's
Yeah,
great.
we do. All right, speaking of which, here we go. I don't think I've felt more at home than watching these videos with the constant movie TV references,
Yeah.
all of which I recognize as an 80s-born nerd. Thank you for the great recipe here.
Bunch of nerds and dorks, freaks and geeks, am I right?
Okay. Nerding out over there. Nerds!
What are we waiting for?
All right, this is from Cold Dark,
Coldplay.
or Cold Ark,
Oh, Cold Ark.
both with Ks. This is by far the best cooking show. That other guy might teach the facts,
Yeah?
but CJ brings the art and the humor.
Well...
And those are the facts of life.
I don't remember the theme song.
I don't really remember the theme
It was a little
song
bit
to it.
before our time. Wasn't it?
No, it technically was in our time, but we were young.
Yeah.
But
Punky
still.
Brewster was like right.
Oh,
the
doing the
edge.
creeping, like, who's the boss?
That was more our time.
Hold Me Closer, Tony Danza.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah.
And Alyssa Milano.
What are you guys talking about?
Loved Alyssa Milano. Born in 2000. And that's how we do it, my friends. We wrap it up. Today you got not one, not two, but three different kinds of recipes to incorporate into whatever
Yeah,
kind
pair
of
those
dish
with
that you
whatever.
have. Those loaded potato skins are a great appetizer. The other two can pair with anything, but the potato skins
They
could
could
go
go with a
just,
steak.
They
Go with
definitely
chicken.
could. Chicken would be awesome.
Yeah.
Little A1.
Maybe not.
Maybe not.
Well, you do bring the art. You do bring the art.
Dude, you're all kinds of butthurt. I love it. Thank you guys so much for
Crayons.
hanging out with us.
Math
Go to
markers.
blackstoneproducts.com.
The kind you
Go to
sniff too
griddlenation.com. Let me know if you want to
Kinda
get
art you
something
put on
on
the
the
refrigerator
OG
for
board
Mom.
over here. Slide up in my DMs.
macaroni necklace
Mr.
and
Baby
calling it
Butthurt
art.
over here has got to cry himself to sleep on his huge pillow.
Well, that was offside, wasn't it?
Like Sputnik.
It's an orange on a
OG,
toothpick.
but round in places.
Thank you guys so much for hanging with us. This is CJ's first cooking show where we cook.
And we quote.
That's right.
Artistically. Some of us do.
Call me Bob Ross, brah.
Okay, Bob.
Whatever, dude. Whatever. Peace. God bless.